Ever wondered why we get goosebumps? Well, there's a fascinating science behind this common phenomenon. The scientific term for goosebumps is piloerection. Yes, it's a mouthful, isn't it? It's a physiological response that occurs when we're exposed to cold temperatures or emotional stimuli. You see, our bodies are quite the marvels. They have a myriad of involuntary reactions to various situations. In the case of goosebumps, tiny muscles at the base of each hair follicle contract. This causes our skin to dimple and our hairs to stand upright. The result? Those familiar bumps that we've all experienced at one time or another. But why does this happen? Well, it's a throwback to our ancestors. This reaction creates an insulating layer of warmth, a survival instinct from days when we needed to stay warm in harsh climates. It's also a response to fear or excitement, preparing us for potential danger. So the next time you get goosebumps, know that it's your body's ancient way of trying to keep you warm or preparing for a potential danger. Yawning is another peculiar body quirk. Is it really just because you're tired? Well, science says it's more than that. Yawning is actually a cooling mechanism for the brain. When you yawn, you take in a large amount of cool air, which then circulates around the brain, helping it to cool down. But why do we often yawn when we see someone else doing it? This is a phenomenon known as contagious yawning, and it's thought to have evolved as a way of promoting social bonding and alertness within a group. When one person yawns, it triggers a chain reaction, causing others in the group to yawn too. This not only helps keep everyone's brains cool, but it also increases alertness and keeps the group bonded. So the next time you yawn, don't feel embarrassed. You're just helping to keep your brain cool and promoting social bonding. Remember, a yawn is not a sign of boredom, but your body's attempt at a brain cool down and a subtle way of bonding. Ever been in an awkward situation where you just couldn't stop hiccuping? Well, let's dive into the science behind this peculiar body quirk. Hiccups are actually caused by an involuntary contraction of your diaphragm. That's the muscle that helps your lungs draw in air. When it spasms, you take a quick breath in, which is suddenly stopped by the closing of your vocal cords. This creates that unmistakable hic sound. There are quite a few triggers for these diaphragm gymnastics. Eating too quickly, consuming certain substances, or even feeling a sudden excitement can set them off. As for remedies, everyone seems to have their own. Holding your breath, drinking water upside down, a sudden scare, their effectiveness varies, but they aim to reset your diaphragm's rhythm. So the next time you're hiccuping away, remember it's not you. It's your diaphragm playing tricks on you.